In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. Notion uses the word group in two helpful ways. You can group items inside a database to organize your work. And you can create member groups to manage people and permissions across your workspace. I'll walk you through both, so you know exactly where to click and why it matters. Let's start with grouping inside a database. This is perfect when you want to organize tasks, notes, or projects into clear categories. Open the database you want to organize. This could be a table, board, list, or another database view. At the top right of the database, click the three-dot icon to open the view options. From there, select Group and then click plus Add a Group. Notion groups items based on a property in your database. So the most flexible way to do this is to use a select or multi-select property. When you group by one of those, you can create categories like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Each category becomes its own section or lane, and your pages will automatically sort themselves into the right place based on the value you choose. Keep your category names short and consistent so they're easy to scan, and use as few categories as you need to keep things clear. Now, if your goal is to organize people rather than pages, you'll want to create a member group in your workspace. This is great for teams, departments, or any set of people who should share the same access on multiple pages. To do that, navigate to Settings and Members in the sidebar. In the Settings and Members panel, select Groups under Member Settings. Then click Create a Group. This gives you a dedicated space for managing a collection of members in one go, so you don't have to adjust access for each person individually across different pages. It's a simple way to keep your workspace tidy and make permissions consistent as your team grows. To recap, database groups help you visually organize content by a select or multi-select property, ideal for status, priority, or type, while member groups help you organize people for clean, scalable access control. Use database grouping when you want to categorize work, and use member groups when you want to manage who can see or edit that work. That's all you need to start grouping with confidence in Notion. If this was helpful, make sure to apply it to one database and one team today to see instant clarity. Thanks for watching.